Pronunciation. Sosthenes is pronounced as Sosthenes. Meaning. The name Sosthenes is of Greek origin, meaning safe strength or strong savior. It is a biblical name, notably borne by a ruler of the synagogue who is mentioned in the New Testament, Acts 18 verse 17, and later became a Christian. How to use in sentences. 1. Historical/biblical context. In the New Testament, Sosthenes was a prominent leader who played a significant role in the early Christian community. 2. As a metaphor. In times of adversity he was like a Sosthenes, offering strength and support to those around him. 3. In naming. They named their child Sosthenes, hoping he would grow up to be strong and resilient. 4. Literary use. The character in the novel named Sosthenes symbolized unwavering strength and moral integrity.